Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create interactive quiz in Canva for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit Canva and then you're going to choose Canva AI. Then you can add your idea here. And I have already created a prompt for my quiz. So I'm just going to paste the prompt here. For example, guys, I'm going to create a quiz for kids ages 5 to 10, and the quiz is about the animal, and then I'm going to select design for me here. And once you're done adding your prompt, you can submit the prompt to AI and the AI will generate a design for you. I'm just going to make design for my quiz. It's like a PowerPoint. Okay, and now the design is being generated, and then we just need to wait for a moment, guys. Okay, now it's done. The design for my quiz has been created, and this is how the design looks like. That's so cool. Okay, and then you can save the design. I'm going to tap on that. Okay, and then you can download the design. But before it, I'm going to click on use Canva editor, and then you can still customize your design here. And you can also add like customization. Okay, that's so cool, guys. And if you want to save, just click on share, and then you can download the design. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to create an interactive quiz in Canva for free with Canva AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.